Join me as I dive deep into the future of Oxy stock and try to predict what's next for this energy giant. Occidental Petroleum, or Oxy, has been making headlines lately, and investors are on the edge of their seats trying to figure out what's next for this energy giant. With its rich history and massive operations, Oxy has become a staple in the energy sector, and its stock is closely watched by investors and traders alike. Oxy is facing some major challenges that could impact its stock price. One of the biggest headwinds is the fluctuating oil price. With the global economy slowing down, oil demand is decreasing, and prices are plummeting. This means less revenue for Oxy and its peers, which could lead to a decline in stock price. Another challenge Oxy is facing is regulatory pressure. With the growing concerns about climate change, governments and regulators are pushing for cleaner energy sources, and Oxy, as an oil and gas company, is right in the crosshairs. Regulatory pressures are not going away anytime soon, and Oxy needs to adapt quickly to stay ahead of the game. The company is also facing increased competition from renewable energy sources, which are becoming cheaper and more efficient by the day. This shift in the energy landscape is forcing Oxy to rethink its strategy and find ways to stay relevant in a rapidly changing market. On top of all this, Oxy is also dealing with internal challenges, such as managing its debt and improving operational efficiency. Despite these challenges, Oxy has been making some strategic moves to stay ahead of the curve. The company recently announced a major acquisition, which is expected to boost its production and revenue. Oxy has also been partnering with other companies to develop new technologies and improve its operational efficiency. These moves show that Oxy is committed to adapting to the changing energy landscape and finding ways to stay profitable. The oil industry is also going through some significant developments that could impact Oxy's stock. For example, the rise of electric vehicles is changing the way people consume energy, and Oxy is responding by investing in electric vehicle charging infrastructure. Another trend is the growing demand for cleaner energy sources, such as wind and solar power, which is forcing Oxy to diversify its energy portfolio. In recent news, Oxy has made a major announcement that could be a game changer for its stock. The company has partnered with a major renewable energy company to develop a large-scale solar farm, which is expected to generate significant revenue and reduce Oxy's carbon footprint. This move shows that Oxy is committed to transitioning to cleaner energy sources and reducing its environmental impact. There you have it, the challenges, developments, and strategic moves that are shaping the future of Oxy stock. As we move forward, it's clear that Oxy will need to continue adapting to the changing energy landscape and finding ways to stay profitable. But with its rich history and commitment to innovation, Oxy is well positioned to overcome these challenges and thrive in the years to come. So what do you think is next for Oxy stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the energy sector and its trends, be sure to check out my latest video where I dive deep into the latest developments and trends shaping the industry.